Hello, my ICTA students. This assignment number 4 is another letterhead. It's exactly the same as the one you just did, but I'll go over it just to refresh your memory to make sure that you remembered all the things that you've learned. Okay, so first of all, make sure you've got on no spacing, and remember we want to set your center tab. So I want to have a center tab, and remember we want it at 3.25 because it's half of 6.5, right? And then we want a right tab, change it to right, and then you want to click on the ruler, but you want to drag it over and plunk it on top. Don't touch the right margin, don't touch the right indent, okay? Just put the tab right on top. All right, so now press your tab key and you're going to type Winnipeg Adult. And center is spelled R-E, so make sure you pick that up. Tab, and now press enter, and tab, and the address of your school is 310 Vaughan Street, V-A-U-G-H-A-N, make sure you spell it right, Street, S-T-R-E-E-T, and press your tab key and press enter and tab, and now put in Winnipeg, and then you can put in a comma, space, and remember capital M, capital B, no periods, and then a space, and it's R3B 2N8. all right, press your tab key, press enter, and now press your tab key, take your caps lock off, and put in our phone number 204. Now, when you put in a phone number, you always use a non-breaking hyphen. So hold down the Control and Shift and press the hyphen key once. See how it's a thin line? Okay, there. And now put in 947, so 947, and now Control Shift hyphen, and then put in 1674. All right, press your tab key, press enter, and what do? The first thing we do is we go Control Shift normal, so that you clean off all the tabs on your ruler. And now put on your no spacing and press enter one more time. All right, go Control Home, and now let's save it before we go any further. So go Control S to save, and you're going to save it in your folder. So go to your name, go to ICTA slot 4 and displays. All right, so now this one you were told to save this one as WAEC because Winnipeg Adult Education Center is too long for a file name. So just leave it blue, type in your first name, type in OCT 23 or whatever the current date is for you, and put in here WAEC for Winnipeg Adult Education Center. All right, save it. Okay, so now we want to put in 2 symbols or 3 symbols. In this assignment, looks like I put in 2. So let's go to Insert, let's go to Symbol, and let's go to More Symbols. And here's our web dings. It comes up and remembers that you used it. So what do you want to put in this time? Okay, well this maybe kind of looks like a building, so let's put this one in to represent the school. And what else should we put in? Here, maybe this is the path to the school. You can choose whatever it is that you want. All right, and close. So the first one, I'm going to select it, size it up, 1, 2, and I want to make it, our school is kind of the brown color, so let's go choose a brown color. Maybe the lighter one. Yeah, maybe the lighter one will be good. And then here, we'll make this one, maybe it's fall, let's make it orange. Well, that's too close. We'll go with green. Okay, and size it up. 1, that's enough. Okay, so now we've got that done. We're going to select it, go Control C, and we want to go Control V, and we want to go Control V, and one more time Control V. All right, then you're going to go over here and go Control V, but remember we need to put this on the outside, so select it and you're going to cut it, Control X, okay, X to cut. think of a pair of scissors, and then Control V. So now you've got your gold school building on the outside and the path to the school on the inside. All right, select the two of them, copy it, and now go Control V, go Control V, go Control V. All right, now I took out the inside one here, so take it out, backspace, backspace, and take this one out, and put your cursor here and press delete. Put your cursor here and press delete. So now your pattern looks like my pattern. All right, let's go Control S to save. So this time we want to select Winnipeg Adult Education Center, and let's size it up. 1, 2, 3, bold and italics. And education, I stuck an extra I in here, so I'll fix that. Okay, and let's say that we'll make our colors are gold. So let's go and use the gold color for the Winnipeg Adult Education Center. Actually, I know a better gold. Go here and let's choose this one, okay, to represent our school, and let's make it a little bit bigger yet. There. Okay, Vaughan Street, we'll make it bold, and we could use the other gold now. Okay, so and then here we'll bold it and use the gold, and I should have sized it up 1, 2. Yeah, we can go with 1, 2. Okay, and then here I'll go with 1, 2, and then here we'll make it bold again, and we will go with our gold, and maybe it's sized up 1, 2. All right, so now we got to get some green in here. We got a lot of gold. So save your work. Now remember, use your white arrow and highlight. Okay, and now we want to go to borders and shading. Okay, and as I told you, I'm going to choose green because I've got enough, and I'm going to choose this line, and I want to go with green, and I went with this green, and I want to go with shading, and I want 15% green, and the same green that we had, and you should be able to see the dots. All right, let's have a look at that. So that looks pretty good, right? You've got that all done. Now, what does our top margin have to be? Remember, layout, margins, come down to custom margins, and it's already blue, so type in 0.5, press your tab key, and the bottom margin is now blue, put in 0.5, and press enter. So now your top margin is correct. This is all good. So now put your cursor here. I'm at 1.8, so I want to come down until I'm at not 2.6, 2.4. And we're going to insert the date and time, and you want the third date, and make sure there's no check mark here. Say OK. All right, press enter about 4 times is good, and we're going to go to insert, and we want to put in quick parts, field, document information, file name, add to path, and say OK. All right, shift home and size it down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, save your work, and that's good. So very easy. You can do a letterhead without too many problems. We'll stop there.